morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. For those who are new here, it's Joyce Kamau Vlogs here, and we are back again with a very interesting story. So guys, right now we are on a road to 100 subscribers. So guys, I'm urging you to kindly consider subscribing to this channel by just clicking the subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. It's free, and before you forget, I will just click that button before we even continue. Guys, thank you so much for your support, and for those who are yet to watch my videos, kindly visit my channel and watch previous videos. There are not many, so guys, it's easy for you to catch up as soon as now. And as you can tell from the title, I'm heading to Nairobi and I'm taking the night S.G.R. It will be my first time traveling on S.G.R. at night, and I can't wait for the experience. So guys, come with me. So guys, I'm currently waiting for my van to pick me up from this area. Yeah. The driver has just called me, and he's a few meters from here. So any time from now, I'm expecting to see him. So this is the Mombasa-Malindi highway. Yeah. Ninderito. Poa. So guys, we are having a stopover. I'm not sure where we are at, but it's people are having a bathroom break. It has been a long journey from Kilifi to where we are right now. And by the way guys, I use this cab or this van. It's called Big Time S.G.R. Transfer. By the way, they have good services. We finally arrived at Mombasa terminus, and we had to go through security checks, yeah, before getting in. So guys, once you're done with the second security check, you're supposed to go print your ticket. For those who booked online, there are two options. You might choose to use a staff at the counter or the automatic ticket printing machine. For the first timers, I would advise you use the counter so that you don't get confused. Thereafter you get your ticket, it's time to check in. Purchasing of tickets can be done online or in person at the nearest Madaraka Express passenger service station. Make sure you have a valid passport or ID when you travel and keep them ready to show. one thing I would like to advise, make sure you are at the station on time, like 1 hour earlier. I'm telling you guys, this is a jackpot. Getting a seat next to the window. Unfortunately, that was not my seat. I got confused between the seat at the aisle and seat next to the window. The occupants were here and I had to move. The gentleman was kind enough to let me sit at the center so that I can access the table. Okay, sawa. So guys, I'm at the washroom and I'm not sure where we are currently, but we are about to get to Nairobi. Can't wait to get to Nairobi. I'm so tired. I was sitting in between two people. Yeah, and we only had one table to leave, so the journey has been tiresome. So guys, we are finally in Nairobi. It's about 3:40 something a.m.